Writing regular text. We can write regular text. We have two different ways of doing that. The first way is in the Sketch tab, in the Create, we hit the down arrow and we have just text. In the text, it says locate on two corners. And I'm going to pick these two corners and I'll let go, and it creates a format text dialog box. First, we have a style. We hit the down arrow and we choose between three styles. We have the ANSI, which is the default for US, and we have the International, which is ISO, and then we have just plain text. So we're going to go with ANSI, follow the ANSI CAD standards, drafting standards. And in here, we have our justification: left, center, right. We have top, middle, bottom. The stretch when it's 100%, the word is neither compressed or pulled left and right. When we go greater than 100%, the word is longer. When we go less, like 70%, the word is scrunched. By the ANSI standard, we leave it at 100, and we're going to leave it at single spacing. And the font is Tacoma. We could actually change that, and we go to, say Arial, for example, or you can go to Roman S or any single stroke Gothic lettering. So I could just say change it right there. Our size is basically 1/8 inch as per the standard. And then down here we can type. And I'll say, and we have a bolt hole here that's not missing, and so I'll say do not drill 1 bolt hole. Alright, and so if I wanted to put some symbols in, I can come over here and I can put some symbols in here, any symbol I want. So I could say something like 1.8, and I could come in here and put a phi symbol, the Greek letter phi, which is the diameter symbol. I could put something like that in there if I wanted to. I could say something like 11x for 11 times. We also have all kinds of different symbols in here, such as our whole depth. For example, we come over here and we get our depth symbol, and we also have a zoom, which is good for zoom out and zoom in. If I zoom in, it makes the text a little bigger, easier to read. I like that personally. And I can zoom out as well. So once you actually get what you want typed in, you say OK, and it creates then that text in the drawing. So I actually have an entity here, right? So it's a basic text floating there in our part. It's associated with our part number 2. So once again, I can go up to text, and I can come out here and pick two corners. Hang on here, I'll do that again. I come to text, I drag the window for two corners, and I can put any text in there, say text example, and I can set any of the settings I want, hit OK, and I get a text in here. Oops, sorry. And so that's how we put text into our 2D sketch.